Is it I would have gone with them, or I should have gone with them, or else I could have gone with them? How to use, in what situation we need to use. Many a times we get a confusion while using these words. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Taken. I hope you are doing great. From this video you are going to learn the usage of could have, would have and should have, like in detail. So please do watch till the end. Let's get into the video. Now let's come to the pronunciation. Should have is used as formal and informal also. What is another way to use in an informal way? Should have can also be said as should have, av, should have. Could have as could have, would have as would have. This is an informal way to use. Now coming to these words, what are these words called? These are past modals. These are also called as modals of lost opportunities, not last, lost opportunities. These are used to refer the present feelings or emotions or thoughts about past actions. Like whatever you have done in the past, you are feeling about that. What are your feelings? What are your thoughts? You are discussing or you are expressing yourself. So in that situations, we use this one. Let's learn one after the other. First one is could have. Like it's a possibility or a chance or option. You can also say like you had an ability to do in the past, but you didn't do. It doesn't mean that you are regretful. You're just expressing your feelings that you had a chance, but you still didn't do that. For example, I could have gone with my parents, but instead I stayed home alone. That means there is a chance, but you still didn't go, and you're not feeling regret for that. You're just expressing yourself. My brother could have joined the company, but he chose to run his own business. Another one is she could have informed him, but she didn't do. So that means there is a possibility, there is a chance, but still they didn't do that. So in that situations, we need to use could have. Possibility is there, but we didn't do that one, like a chance or option. But we are not feeling any regret for that, just expressing our thoughts. I hope this is clear for you. Next one is should have. Like when we want to express regret or feel disappointment, it is used to tell about our past mistakes. For example, I should have completed this work on time. Like because I didn't complete it on time, my other works got piled up and it became very hectic for me. So I am feeling regret for myself that I didn't complete on time. For that, how can we say? I should have completed this work on time. Another example is she should have informed her mother about the issue. If she had informed before, like she might have solved the issue. So it is like feeling a regret that she didn't inform her mother. For that, what we can say, she should have informed her mother. My friend shouldn't have done this mistake. That means it's a big mistake and feeling regret for that one. In that situation, we use this one, should have. Like could have is not feeling regret, should have is feeling regret or disappointment. Now let's see the difference between could have and should have with examples. I could have completed this work on time. I'm not feeling regret here. I'm just expressing that I could have done that. But I should have completed the work on time means I'm feeling bad or disappointment that I didn't complete it. She could have informed her mother. There is a chance, there is a possibility to inform, but she didn't do. But if I say she should have informed her mother, that means she feels regret, or else I feel regret that she didn't inform her mother to solve the issue. So there is a possibility for could have and there is a regret for should have. This point you need to remember. Next one is would have. It tells about possibility or expresses past conditional situations. For example, I went late to the party. I knew they would have gone. That means you expected. Another example is, if I had known your problem, I would have helped you. Now there is no chance. There was a possibility in the past. Like if she had informed you before, there might be a chance that you have helped her, right? But now there is no chance. Imaginary sentence, that is would have. Let's see the another way to use. I would have helped you if I had known this problem. Another example is, if she had informed him immediately, none of this would have happened. That means that person might have helped her. You can also say, none of this would have happened if she had informed him immediately. Let's see the negative example. I wouldn't have gone there if they hadn't invited me. Like it's an imaginary sentence, like a possibility and imaginary, which comes under would have. I hope it's clear for could have, should have, and would have. I want to tell you something which is very important. It's structure. Whenever you are using could have, should have, and would have, immediately you need to use past participle. I could have gone, she should have informed, would have eaten. So everything is of past participle we need to use here. Now it's a quiz time. Let us see whether you can answer it or not. First one is, if I had a bike, I gone with my friends. If I had a bike, I gone with my friends. Please fill that one. Like, you just answer yourself. Yes, answer is would have. If I had a bike, I would have gone with my friends. I listened to you. I listened to you. Did you get the answer? Correct. I should have listened to you. Next one is, she waited for me. She left all of a sudden. She waited for me. She left all of a sudden. What would be the answer in the gap? She could have waited for me. She left all of a sudden. So I hope it is clear for you, like difference between could have, should have, and would have. If you have any queries or suggestions, please let me know. And if you have any suggestions for upcoming videos, you can tell me that too. So if you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. We'll meet you soon. Thank you.